So I intend to cook a crab today. However, I don't have any kind of a pan or something like that. So today I'm gonna show you guys how can you boil the water in a survival situation. You have to make sure that the water that you want to boil is isolated. Got it. So the water already started to heat up, and right now I just want to... So since the water started to heat up already, I just want to go ahead and drop my nettles inside. Soon I will drop my crab inside this water. In goes the crab. This is the tastiest part. Open.